the hood style. Like no,
they have
nowadays
to,
it's
like,
about
dance with
you dance
swag.
like cool. Yeah, you just don't dance.
Well, make sure you tune in. It's gonna be an amazing family show. It'll be happening. It's starting tomorrow.
Yeah, can I bring my team?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have like 3 dancing crews.
Oh my gosh, you're kidding.
Two in the camp, in the refugee camp, 1 in Kibera.
So this is what we're doing. There's a WhatsApp number 0700574747. I'll give it to you.
Yeah.
They send their video
of them
dancing.
Okay.
Yes, and then now we'll pick the video and then they can come and dance on the show.
Awesome. If you're watching in Kakuma, man, start training.
I love it.
We have to
Also,
win.
You are celebrating your 8-year anniversary.
8 years,
8
man.
is a big number for you.
Always. 8 is
Number 9,
the lucky
Matatu,
number.
number 9 anniversary, number 9 baby, like, you know.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, it's been 8 years in the game.
Yeah.
I feel like it was yesterday.
Yeah.
And I'm happy to, like, you know, that I can be here still and still be the guy that young people look up to.
Right.
From different, like, you know, places. And I still want to do more. Like, I haven't reached what I want.
Yeah.
But I'm not where I was, so that's
You're
what I'm
definitely
celebrating.
doing big. I always appreciate your, like, especially like your social media team. I feel like you're so alive on social media.
Yeah, my social media team, they know themselves. The Nyandarua team.
The Nyandarua team,
You know?
they post all day.
Hey, these guys are
every
from
move.
Nyandarua, man. Like
They're from Nyandarua.
No, people think like Nyandarua,
People like-
hakuna internet, nini. These guys are from Nyandarua, and
thought-
they're killing. Like,
I really thought it's like some Zungu team somewhere,
these
like
are
doing
young
serious
guys.
things for you.
These are young guys from Nyandarua, just chilling. Some from Udumo, some like they're not even from Nairobi.
Wow.
And you can see what they do. So not everything is in Nairobi. Please go out, go to Siaya, go to Nyeri. People are doing stuff.
I like it.
Go to Nyandarua. If you want a great social media team, talk to me. I have guys in Nyandarua. I'll hook you up.
Shut up. I could use a social media team. I've been so bored. Like, if you see my Instagram, I think the last photo I posted was like 3 weeks ago. I'm just like not inspired. But we will have a talk on this side. Yeah. Like a connection.
Bring the check, man.
Check. Again. Check.
We got you. If you want to trend in the whole world, just in this building, just in Nairobi, Kisumu, like we got targets. You target where you want to trend.
Oh, okay. How much is it gonna cost?
It's not much. A few figures.
Oh my.
Right. And there's something that happened on Tuesday. So anniversary yako ilikuwa Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday.
There's an artist aliyapia pale. Julikana kama Calligraph. So the last time we checked, hamkuwa mnapata eye to eye na Kali. What happened?
When business.
Ama ilikuwa busy.
When business, missing like hata yanajua tu like yani. But tuko job Joe, we are at the end of the day is hip hop.
Yeah.
There's Octo, there's Kali, but then there's hip hop that bring us together.
True.
He was there to support hip hop. He was there to support you know, the movement.
Right.
Like I might not like him, but he's making moves.
Right.
You know,
right.
and
So
you respect the
that.
hustle.
Right.
You might not respect the person, but
you
man,
respect the hustle.
And
It's a
him is
difference.
doing a good job, you know, with himself, like compared to all these other guys.
Yeah.
Tweeting a lot. At least he's going on studio and recording songs.
Right.
So Kali Jo, zidi leta hizo mangoma.
Hizo mangoma.
Nikushutie video Jo.
Oh.
Nikushutie video zako Jo.
No. Shots fired.
I know it's my boy.
That was slight shade. Just
we're slaying.
slight shade.
We're slaying.
I love it. Man. So, we got some rappers, right?
Yeah.
People always think like they're really good at what they do. Like, I'm the best rapper alive.
That should be the attitude always.
You should.
That should, if you're
Even if
upcoming,
you're not-
even if nobody knows you, like that what got me where I am today. When I started, I say I'm the best.
You're the best.
I'm the best until somebody proved to me that I'm not. You know, like that's how for hip hop, for anything you do, for business.
Right.
If you're selling milk, ama unauza mandazi, hizi mandazi ndo zinashika hii ghetto mzima.
Right. Mpaka
Hizi njugu, ukitaka njugu jo, ukitoka hapa hivi unaenda service, ni hizi njugu za hapa za mamoti.
Mpaka mwingine akuja na zenye
Mpaka
ziko coated na honey.
kazi imetoka pari nini tunaweza think.
I love it. So we're gonna play the videos. There's 2 videos we're gonna play.
Yep.
Let's hear. I want you guys to see. Do you think these guys can really rap? Do you think they're really like awesome and amazing at what they do? Check out these videos, and when we come back, we are gonna find out live if they can really rap. Our judge Octo is in the building.
He's the king, and you know it.